Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cake using an easy oven method. First, gather all your ingredients to ensure a smooth baking process. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 large eggs. Also, have 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. This simple list forms the foundation for a wonderfully moist cake. Now, let's get mixing. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Prepare a 9-inch round baking pan by greasing and lightly flouring it. This prevents sticking. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Next, we'll combine the remaining ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour and baking powder. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with the milk, beginning and ending with the dry. Mix until just combined. Overmixing can make the cake tough. Pour the batter into your prepared 9-inch pan. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. After baking, it's crucial to cool your cake properly. Let it rest in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before removal. Then, carefully invert the cake onto a wire rack to cool completely. This usually takes about 1 hour. Once fully cooled, you can frost it with your favorite icing, like a simple buttercream or a rich chocolate ganache. Slice and enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make homemade cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.